Hello everyone, welcome to Ruby Kit Foods, a channel of delicacies and African traditional recipes. So guys, if you're at all you're new in this channel, feel welcome. Please do my videos, like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for always your support. And if you are impressed with Ruby Kit's activity, please buy super packs and which supports Ruby Kids Direct. Otherwise, thank you so much for always viewing my videos. So guys, today I'm back in this video on already I did some baking of cakes in this channel, but I've never done the cream. So today I'm going to share with you how to make buttercream for cakes. So guys, keep tuned and let's move. So guys, when you want to prepare some buttercream for cakes. So what I have here, I have this margarine here. So here you can use any of your choice. I have this Kenyan margarine called Blue Band, and I have castle sugar here, icing sugar, and this is about 500 grams. And for the margarine, I'm going to use 250 grams, and I have some brown vanilla flavor. So guys, these are what I have here for the buttercream for cakes. So I have here the margarine here, and you can use margarine of your own choice, but this one I'm just using a Kenyan margarine. In fact, this is the best Kenyan margarine that I know of. I know in different countries have their own, and I also have some castor sugar which I'm going to use, and I have vanilla flavor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to play around with these colors. Guys, as you know, when you're making cakes, people have got their choices of colors. So I've just have some samples here just to show you how you can play around with them. So guys, we'll start by adding in the margarine. Keep tuned. This is the margarine. I'm going to use 250 grams. So just half of this, guys. So this is just enough. The next step is that I'm going to blend this until it gets soft and soft. So guys, once it has become this smooth, now we start by adding the icing sugar, or we call them what? Castor sugar. So you'll be adding it bit by bit. So you'll be adding bit by bit as you blend. So remember guys, we were to use the icing sugar, we are supposed to use 500 grams. So far, I've just used about 200 grams. So we'll still keep adding to this cream. So what I'm going to do, before I continue, I'll add just a tablespoon of vanilla. So this is vanilla. 1 tablespoon, that is just enough. You continue with the blending. As usual, Already in 300 grams of castor sugar. So you continue the same way and make sure you bring everything together so that everything can be blended well. Before you add some castor sugar, because the castor sugar we are adding them step by step, and before you add in, you make sure you collect everything together. So we are on the 400 grams. Make sure that you bring everything together. So you are putting the last 100 grams, and now we make sure that we do it well. I'm just collecting up everything now, and do it for the last time to make sure that everything, all the sugar dissolves completely. And if at all there are other parts like this, make sure remove them gently. So guys, you can see the consistent now. This is just fine. So it depends. Some people prefer using milk at this stage. Some people also prefers adding water. But for me, I feel this is just okay. It's natural and very tasty. So guys, keep tuned for the next step. This is my buttercream. So this is the way you prepare buttercream for dressing cakes. Now, guys, it's not necessarily that you have to use that machine. If at all you don't have machine for the buttercream, you can always use even this platter to do it. Yeah, but make sure you have to use a lot of force to make sure that everything mixes. You just do it the same way. You do like this with a lot vigorously, with a lot of force or weight. So otherwise, guys, this is how to make the buttercream. I'll show you now the next stage, whereby you can now play with the colors. You see some cakes are of different colors. So the next stage is that. So keep tuned. This buttercream, now you can change it to any color that you want, depending on the colors you have. Like now for here, I have pink color, I have the red color, I have purple, and I have blue. So what we'll do, I have some 2 balls here with me. I'll just add some little cream to here. Same to this here. So I have 3 creams here. So let's assume I'm done with this. So let me just pick this. This is blue. Just a pinch of it. Oh, that one is even much. You just take a pinch of it. Vigorously. So guys, you can see this cream has just changed to this blue color. So in case you want to decorate your cake, or you want your cake to be color blue, this is how you play around with these colors after making the original dough. So I'll put it aside and come back to this. Here I have color, this is pink, yeah? So just take a bit of it. Just that is just enough. And guys, don't joke with colors. Zinashika kushika. Then now you can see some blue is also here. because I used the same platter to do this. So you can see the pink is not that much. So if you want it, if you want to blend colors, you can also mix colors to give you a different color. But now for this one, I meant pink, and I just have to let it be pink. It's ready, and this cream is now pink. So you can see now, this is pink buttercream. Pink buttercream, blue buttercream, and the original buttercream. So guys, you can use any color you want or any type you want. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you want to dress your cake, instead of buying this buttercream, just make fresh one from home. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video where now I'm going to show you how to dress the cake. I'd already shown you how to bake the cake, but I'll show you now how to do the dressing and how to decorate the cake using different nozzles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.